What is up, everybody? My name is John and this is Mid-Tech Channel. Today I have a special unboxing. If the tape gets undone all the way. You guys are probably not expecting what this is, okay? This is totally something I was not expecting to get, okay? There we go. And I'm super excited. I just got the text during school about what it was. We're gonna see what it is. Okay, so we got newspaper surrounding a box inside of a box. Alright, so now we got this bomb looking thing. Let's damn it. Alright, as I was saying, before I brutally dropped my phone and mashed in one of the corners of my leather case. Sorry, no. Protects the phone, so it's for Let's see what else we can cut off. The desk probably looks the same from last time. I bet swamped with stuff at school. Senior year, baby. Can you guess what it is now? I don't know. Well, lots and lots of tape on the bubble wrap, which I'll take off camera too. What about now? Can you tell what it is? It's the Power Mac G4Q in all of its glory. In pretty decent condition too. I mean, right here it looks really good. I guess when you look up close, there's some scratches down here. I mean, they're my nail contain them a little bit. They're not that bad though. The biggest one up here is just this one up here. No cracks from the looks of it. It's all just scratches. And these two sides look the best, I believe. And the back looks alright. Looks pretty good. It's just the front, unfortunately, and this little top. That's about it. And no cracks from what I can tell. Yeah, that's just the corner of how they're supposed to be. So yeah, as I said in the last video, more videos on all these things. Like those. Everything, but I haven't gotten to it because I've been ordering stuff. This was not in the budget. I don't really have a budget, but I really wasn't planning on getting a cube. But the deal came around, and I got it. I got two of them, and you got them for so cheap. Each one to give some good deals to the community. I was like, yeah, hopped onto it. A power supply too. Coming few months, I'm getting some more stuff. Don't want to talk about that in case it doesn't go through. I have to actually go pick up that stuff. But I should be getting a monitor for this guy. I have speakers already, which they're modded, so they might not work. This doesn't have a headphone jack, right? I don't think this has a headphone jack. I'm not going to look at it because I don't want to... My luck, I'll probably end up smashing the whole thing. Yeah, no headphone jack from the looks of it. That's why these had the USB speakers, so... I'll have to rig something else up. Well, they have a speaker inside of it, I believe, so yeah. See right down to the bottom. But this one I have plans for. I have plans to upgrade the hell out of this. So, stay tuned. I can't remember. I think it has 900 megabytes of RAM. Or 92, something like that. Some odd number on it. But, yeah. 450 megahertz CPU, not the 500. We'll probably address that in another video. But, yeah. Thanks for watching this amazing unboxing. This is just amazing. I love it. I've been wanting these for at least 4 years, and I finally got it. I remember seeing them on Craigslist with the monitor, with the keyboard, mouse, speaker, everything, the whole set. No box, but everything else. $300+ And I was gonna pull the trigger one time. Instead, I built my PC. I used that money as like a kind of a down payment, but kind of not. Just like buy parts for my first PC, which ended up costing about $600, I think. And there are videos on those at my channel if you want to look for those. But yeah, thanks for watching. And there'll be more cube fun in the future. Have a good one.